how to export only a portion of the timeline of Camtasia. So this is the playhead, that vertical line. You can reposition it, and notice on the left side and the right side you can drag those zones out. So that's the playhead, you can move it out, and from here to there it can be exported. If you want to use a different zone, you can either right click this one and deselect, or the red one or green one and deselect, and it jumps back. So position it where you want to export, drag, let's say, the right side, and from here till there it will be exported. If you right click on the blue selection, produce timeline selection as, and make all your selections that you want. Click on the next button, MP4 is fine, next, modify anything that you want there, next, next, and that blue portion under that name will be exported to that path when you click on the finish button.